Imagine standing in front of someone, but they can't see you. Not because you're hidden, but because light is literally bending around your body. It sounds like science fiction, but scientists are actually working on technology that can do something very similar. The idea comes from special materials called metamaterials. Unlike normal materials, metamaterials are engineered in very precise patterns smaller than the wavelength of light. These tiny structures can manipulate how light moves. Normally, when light hits an object, it reflects off its surface. That reflection is what our eyes detect. It's how we see everything around us. But metamaterials can change that behavior. Instead of reflecting light, they guide it around the object. Imagine water flowing around a rock in a river. The water moves around the obstacle and continues on its path. Metamaterials attempt to do something similar with light. They bend the light around an object so it continues traveling as if nothing were there. To an observer, the object could appear invisible. Scientists call this concept an invisibility cloak. Researchers have already created small experimental versions that work for certain types of light or specific angles. But making a full invisibility cloak that works in everyday conditions is still extremely challenging. The technology requires incredibly precise structures at microscopic scales. Even so, the research has already led to advances in optics, sensors, and telecommunications. Because learning to control light this precisely opens up many possibilities. In the future, technologies inspired by these materials could change everything from imaging systems to advanced communications. For now, true invisibility remains a scientific challenge. But the idea that light itself can be guided around objects shows just how powerful physics can be. Science is amazing.